Couples should be very sensitive after marriage. They should be careful about the ones they are going to use towards each other for the relationship to continue. Today, I want to discuss on what a married man should never say to his wife. What a married man should never say to his wife. 1, you should never tell your wife, I wish I never married you. You are regretting. Without realizing, marriage is a long journey. It is not a walk in the park. It requires, if you find things are becoming difficult, you try to improve your communication or you go to a family therapist. Regretting and telling your wife or your husband, I made a mistake to get married to you or to marry you. Nobody forced you to it. You are the one who got to that relationship willingly and decisively and being sober. Secondly is telling your partner, I don't love you anymore. Who forced you? Who forced you? When you are telling your partner, when you are telling your wife, I don't love you. Who forced you to her? You went there willingly. That is telling your wife, see how fat you have become. Women are very touchy when it comes to their stature. The great disappointment you can tell a woman is to tell her she is ugly, she is fat, she is big, she is not beautiful. You are going to completely break her ego. So you find that certain challenges like childbearing, stress, depression, and fertility can all contribute to your wife becoming big in her stature. So what you can do, you just register to go to the gym together, or you come up with an indoor exercise which you can be doing the two of you. Then number 4 is when you tell your wife you are just like your mother. When you tell your wife you are just like your mother, you have crossed the line. And this one will affect her very much. Remember, during dating, there are so many things which you share. Your wife will be frank about the character of her mother. But you know, these are things which you should not try to use during a vulnerable moment or during the time when you are annoyed. The great part, there is no hurting ones you can use to your wife, like telling her she is like a mother. The mother is a symbol. She embodies care. She embodies the best friend one has in the society. She was with you for 9 months and she also took care of you. So she is a special person. And when you demean that special person, your wife will be very annoyed. So, now, the other point is telling your wife you are a very terrible cook. It's not good. Remember, your wife has put a lot of effort. She may not be a good cook, but do appreciation that at least she has made something for you. Appreciate her first. And if there's anything to be made, any improvement, try to discuss with her next time this dish can be better if we do this 1, 2, and 3. Then number 6 is telling your wife when she asks you a question and you tell her it's none of your business. It is very hurting. It's a business. The family life, the marriage relationship is partnership. You need to be transparent. Your wife has got right to know what is happening. She is also has got right to know the issue of accountability, how funds are used, the plans you have, the investment ideas you have, please share with her. And then finally, telling your wife, I wonder, what have you been doing the whole day? When you find the house is in a messy situation. Remember, she might have been tending to the baby. She might have been mopping the house. She might have been cooking, but doing other things. And so, she has got a lot of rules. She is overburdened by a lot of rules. And her rule was not just to tidy the house. There were also other things which she was doing. Why don't you appreciate? So please, I'm talking to married men. You should be very, very careful when you say certain things to your wife. It's Muteru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you and have a great day. Adios.